This is the recall video for Generac's GP15000E and GP17500E portable generators. We are going to walk you through installing the new rollover valve. The repair kit includes one rollover valve, one rubber grommet, one warning decal, and one rework decal. In addition to the kit contents you will be receiving, you will also need petroleum jelly, such as Vaseline, and a flat blade screwdriver. Step 1. Ensure the generator is shut down and completely cooled before working on the fuel tank. Step 2. Open the fuel fill cap to relieve any pressure inside the fuel tank. Step 3. Remove the evaporative hose from the rollover valve. Step 4. Remove the rollover valve and grommet assembly from the top of the fuel tank. If you have difficulty removing the rollover valve and grommet assembly, use a large, flat blade screwdriver. Step 5. Insert the new rollover valve grommet into the tank opening. Step 6. Lubricate the inside and top of the grommet using a light coating of petroleum jelly. Step 7. Insert the rollover valve into the grommet using a slight twisting motion. Step 8. The rollover valve hose barb must be pointing toward the engine. Step 9. Reinstall the evaporative hose onto the new rollover valve hose barb. Step 10. Close the fuel fill cap. Step 11. Place the warning decal over the top of the generator identification decal below the fuel diverter. Step 12. Place the circular rework decal next to the generator data decal to indicate that rework has been completed. Step 13. This is a view of the top of the generator when the rework has been completed.